You install a new AI assistant. It asks for access to your email. You click Allow. But what exactly did you just give it permission to do? Let us find out. AI tools often ask for email access to summarize messages. They can draft replies on your behalf. They search your inbox to find relevant messages. Some assistants can schedule meetings directly from your email. They can also organize messages into folders or labels. Before you grant access, check the permissions requested. Ask who built the AI tool and research the developer. Find out exactly what data the tool can access in your email. Confirm whether you can revoke access at any time. Check if the tool follows your organization's AI policy. Grant only the permissions required for the feature you need. Review connected apps regularly to spot unwanted access. Enable multi-factor authentication for your email account. Use trusted AI providers with transparent practices. Remove access for tools you no longer use. Be cautious with third-party browser extensions that request email permissions. Quiz time question before connecting AI to your email. What should you check first? Answer B permissions requested. AI can make email more productive, but convenience should always be balanced with security. Review permissions, carefully follow your organization's policies, and regularly audit connected applications. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to SecureAI Simplified for more practical AI security insights.